Hi there, I am Sunil Kenchanmane Raju. I am a new assistant professor in the Department of Botany and Plant Sciences at University of California, Riverside. I started here last year, October. Before that, I was a postdoc at New York University, and I finished my PhD in the University of Nebraska, Lincoln. Welcome to the Kenchanmane Raju lab. So our lab focuses on unraveling the stress environments and then trying to understand how plants respond to stressful environments. And we do this by looking at both the crop species as well as their wild relatives and trying to leverage information from the stress adapted wild relatives to improve climate resilience in major crops. Plants constantly have to sense and respond to environmental fluctuation. In fact, the severity and the intensity of these extreme weather events have increased over the decade, and that's threatening food security. Plants have strategies to respond to these environmental stresses, and we are trying to understand these responses at the cellular level. So what we have found recently is that not all cells in the plant respond to stress in the same way. Some cells are important for signaling that there is a stress. Others are important to respond to that stress, while other cells might be just conserving so that they can respond when there is favorable environment. So by using cutting-edge single-cell sequencing technologies in the lab, we are trying to understand this at a much higher resolution so we can identify precise targets for engineering these traits into crop plants without negative off-target effects in growth and productivity. Our lab is not just about research, but we are also interested in mentoring the next generation students. So here I have my graduate students Yuvraj and Mini, and they are working on both the wet lab aspects as well as computational analysis that is helping us shape the next discovery and our future research direction. I want to carry forward the immense contribution my mentors had in shaping my career. So I strongly believe that good mentoring is important to help them shape their careers and in their next career move. I'm here to help and support them and mentor them in their future endeavors.